Okay, guys, this is Tabish, and this time I have a little bit of my beard, and that is because of my parental leave. So, as you know, I have been living in Sweden for many years, and in Sweden, if you get a new child, every child parents get parental leave, which is a very very long leave. It's like almost 9 months for each parents. So they have 270 something days, but it's a lot of days. So now so I thought, okay, I'd make a very quick video about that because I am on my parental leave nowadays. And how does it feel to be at home if you leave your office? So now my daughter wants to say something. Okay, it will come. He will come back.
He is already back.
Okay, good. Okay, so it's like that. When you have a new baby, of course the mother has to stay home because mother is feeding baby by breastfeed. But then after babies, sometime it's after 6 months, sometime after 9 months, mother goes back to work if both parents are working, and father stays home. Father or mother can give their days to each other. For example, I have gave my some of my days to my wife, but it is compulsory for father to stay at home for 3 months, and I think this is a very good idea. You break your comfort level of your job and you start to stay at home and see that what is happening at home. When I start my parental leave, I was thinking, okay, I can do a lot of projects at home. Like I can take care of our kids and also do different stuff like paint a wall and some handy stuff or some projects in the garden. But that is not the reality. It all starts 6 in the morning and it stops 8 o'clock. So here I can explain you what. You are wake up with your baby in the morning, and then you have to feed them, you have to clean them, you have to prepare food for them, then you have to feed them again, then you have to clean them, put them to sleep for a while. So this whole thing is taking so much energy, and you need to have your might be thousands air open and might be hundreds of eyes in different angles, so you don't miss out your baby is doing something and you are cooking. Oh my god, this is too much. So I salute to all the mothers and all the girls who stay home first period of the nine of the baby, because that is even much tougher. They give a birth and also they do all that stuff. Yeah, but I think everyone should do that because you get a really feel that how does it feel to run a family at home. Because yeah, I can understand the challenges of the offices, but the home challenges are, I would say, even much bigger. I was even more relaxed in my office because I can just sit and work there. Here you have to do so many things. But one good part and the very very best part of this, you make a very strong connection with your baby. Even when you are cleaning their poop, or you are changing their diapers, or you are giving them a bath, every those small moments are so beautiful that you miss it out. If think about, they grow so fast, they like a mushroom. So if they this time period will be gone, my baby is like 15 months already, so in 2 3 years she will be just doing things by herself. Like my other daughter is 6 years old. So yeah, so in Sweden we have this parental leave, and this is actually very good idea. A very good support to your partner. Both life partner get equal opportunity to grow their career, and kids also get chance to spend with both of their parents. Not like in other countries where they don't have such a system, so they hardly spend time in their childhood with their parent, with their father. So yeah, I will be posting more. If you have any more questions about this regarding how the economy work, how much salary you get. Actually you get something like 80% of your salary, but some companies has on top of that some top more salary to compensate that 20%. But shoot your questions and I will try to answer them. And if you want to know anything more about Sweden or Swedish lifestyle, I will try to answer my best. Thank you. Bye bye. and subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.